Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I would just like to show you guys how to charge your Indian Chief motorcycle during the winter, or maybe, when your bike is sitting for a little while and you're not using it. So all you're gonna need is a battery tender, something like this, and a plug, an attachment plug that looks like this. So for demonstration purposes, I have used an extension cord. I do not recommend using an extension cord with your battery tender. You should plug it directly into the wall. But other than that, that's all you're going to need. So instead of taking off like the whole seat and moving fuse boxes and stuff, you can, directly below the seat, find a charging port right underneath the motorcycle. All you're going to need to do is use your little plug here and plug it straight into the bike. There you go. That's all you gotta do. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.